You want to see what I had to do every day before I came to Dr. Musa? This is my little sight bag. Okay, here we go. On any given day, I have to say, okay, is it these? I was like Fred Sanford. Okay, wait a minute. These, like I probably a 125, a 275. Okay, oh wait, these, wow, okay. And for you fashion divas and divos, you know if you can't see, you can't get your eyelashes on straight and your eyeliner and all of that. So then I got these babies right here because I couldn't see, right? But I was still vain. So I'm like, wait a minute. So in order to get this eyelash on, I'd look through this eye and put that eyelash on and then pop it over here and do the same. Because I took the step and came to laser vision with Dr. Musa, I don't have to do that anymore. I can be fabulous. So now here's my contact bag here. Again, no judgment on anyone who has chosen to wear contacts, who chooses to wear glasses. You are beautiful, you are fabulous. This is what I had to deal with. So now, if I was working on the set and my call time was 6 a.m. and the site was at least an hour away, I'd have to get up at 4 so that I could have from 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. just to make sure I could get my contacts in. So now, this is a thing of the past, and it's cute. Maybe I'll carry it as a purse. I don't need it to see because I can truly see. I can read, I can drive, I can embrace the world. I can see myself with clear vision, and it was painless. The recovery time is just a matter of days, just to be on the safe side while your eyes are adjusting. In terms of my night vision, that's the longest time frame, but it's very gradual. You can still drive, you can still see, but it gets progressively better and better and better. So I can see clearly now that I've gone to Dr. Musa. Don't be afraid. Don't delay. Just get the consultation. You may be a candidate just like me, and I am telling you, and for you, who are getting a little older, as you know, in Hollywood, you're supposed to be young and fabulous forever, but this is one box. You can check the box. This box is checked. Now when I wear sunglasses, it's just to be cool. Wait, where are my sunglasses? Oh, yes. And when I was wearing the glasses, I felt like Mrs. Bumbleweed because I could never find my glasses. Okay, where did I put them? Where did I put them? Where did I put them? So now when I rock my shades, it's because I'm cool. That's the truth.
We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy. We look forward to seeing you in the near future.